was Friday, May the 22nd, and it's 57 degrees. 2 days ago, it was 90s, in the 90s, and everything was dry as could be. So I'm glad we're getting rain. So I thought I would just kind of look at my onions. They are definitely doing better. They're flourishing now that they're over here and more grass. Store-bought tomatoes are still looking good. Marigold looking good. And that's not a tomato. I gotta leave it because I got seeds in there. Nothing so far, but that's okay. Store-bought tomatoes are looking good. Oh, look at my strawberry. Looking good. Still inside growing, hopefully. I fixed this up for the sweet potatoes to hopefully keep the animals out. Oh, look at there. That looks good. Mine aren't looking too good yet. And I fixed this up the other day. These are spare shelves that I have. Store-bought squash is looking good. But see, you just put that back and then that should help keep the cats out, especially. Everything here is, yeah, growing, hopefully. And then I covered this up a little bit to keep the squirrels out of my sunflower seeds, hopefully. And then I have me some eggshells I'm going to throw. Just kind of spread them out there to help. I'm not even sure. I think that's what you're supposed to do. There's some eggshells. There's our trees. Well, they're actually the next door neighbor's trees. There's our tree right there. And it's nice to hear the birds. And you can hear the water dripping from the rain we had. So that's nice. Oh, and let me show you before I go. Look at my onion. The other onion. The onion that I bought at the store. I can come out and clip these. So I will. Maybe put it in some broth or something. So yeah, I'll show that. Not sure if I'll be able to do this every day, but I was thinking this morning, I think I'd like to just come out and just do some nature. I have these trees in our neighbor's backyard, and then we have the dogwood tree right there. But then these other trees are my neighbors, and I'm just really enjoying the birds. Just hearing them enjoying themselves. Today's a kind of gloomy, but not real gloomy. Anyway, it's just a rainy day. Thank goodness. Thankfully, I'm very grateful, as we haven't had rain for quite some time. It's not raining right now. I don't know if I got that bird. That was pretty. But yeah, I might try to do this along with my ongoing research of how to help myself, that hopefully I can inspire and help others also if they're going on the same journey that I'm going on.